Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering tools and removing power. This prevents shorts and accidental window movement. Once done, pop any visible screws and use a trim pry to lift the panel clips. Work along the edges so clips don't break. Make sure to disconnect the battery before reaching inside. Now peel back the vapor barrier carefully. You're exposing the latch assembly and handle bolts. You need clear access to the linkage and mounting bolts to remove the old handle safely. With the panel out, unbolt the handle mounting hardware while supporting the exterior handle so it doesn't fall. Next, identify the linkage and release the retaining clip. Use needle nose pliers to avoid bending rods. Once detached, slide the old handle out and compare it to the new one to verify fit. Insert the replacement, engage the linkage clip, and begin hand tightening the mounting bolts so the handle sits true. You'll adjust final alignment after testing. After securing the handle, reconnect the linkage and give the handle several test pulls while the bolts are snug but not fully torqued. This ensures correct travel and prevents binding. Once movement is smooth, torque bolts to spec and reseat the vapor barrier and panel clips. Reconnect the battery and test both interior and exterior handles, latch engagement, and child locks. If things go wrong, if it binds or won't latch, stop, loosen bolts. Realign the rod and clip, then retest before final tightening.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.